Check this out, everybody, check this out. A squirrel is caught by the rain. Right there. It's right on the branch. Let's zoom it in. Poor squirrel. It's raining so hard now. It doesn't know where to go. It got caught by the rain. Wow. It's still on the branches there. Oh my goodness. Poor squirrel. Where do you go? My squirrel, where do you go? It's raining like crazy. Where do you go? Wow, you hear the rain? You hear the raindrop? Wow, look at that. The squirrel is caught by the rain. Poor squirrel. It doesn't know where to go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's getting wet. I hope it doesn't drop down. I hope it doesn't fall. Wow. Poor squirrel. It got caught by the rain. Shame on you, squirrel. You should have gone home before the rain. Come on. It's the end of the year. Go home and relax. Go home and celebrate New Year like everybody else. Look at that. Look at that. It doesn't know where to go. Squirrel got caught in the rain, everybody. Poor squirrel. Hello, squirrel. Come on, squirrel. I just want to say hello to you. Come on, squirrel. Squirrel doesn't know where to go. It still got confused. Come on, squirrel. We just want to say hello to you. Come on. Go home. Stop being on the branch. Go home and take a break. Celebrate New Year. Come on. Come on, squirrel. Go home. Come on. It's really stuck, everybody. The squirrel is really stuck. Come on, squirrel. Go home so you don't get wet. Come on. Okay, I'm giving it up now. Bye bye, squirrel. Hope you like this video. I hope the squirrel will go home and celebrate New Year. Okay, looks like it's trying to go home. Okay, we'll see you later, squirrel. Uh-oh, it's raining harder. Okay, bye bye, squirrel. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye.